What's up, guys? Today I have a little bit of a modification I'm wanting to do to the old trusty 15 Armada. Bought some tow mirrors off of eBay, paid $185 for them. They come off of a first gen Titan, and it should be a straight bolt on to this. Alright, we're gonna go to the passenger side. I pulled these two bolts, one by the handle and the other one by the door holder. I guess they're both handles. Anyway, we got two more, and I'm using my 10mm. That's pretty much all I'm using to pull this door apart. And it's just these four bolts that come off, and then the rest should kind of just give it a little tug and it pops out of place. Kind of just go all around one by one. There's one more left. There we go. This one just came off, so what I do is I use my trim remover tool, pop it completely off, and then I'll install it in the panel. I don't know if you guys can see. There. And then on this side, you have a cover. You didn't have that on the driver's side. Pull this connector off, and then we'll fish that up through there. Now the original mirror stays in place, but the new ones, they don't. I'm on a downhill, car's tilted, so the doors wanted to close on me. But you kind of have to wiggle this out of the way. This is what holds it. And somehow pulling this wiring harness is harder than fishing it. There you go. That's out. Now I do need to remind you guys that you want to double check and make sure what kind of mirror you guys have, because some of them have different settings. Like mine has heated mirrors, some don't come with it. And I'm pretty sure some come with turn signals. And these three come off. Make sure it's the three that sit the highest. Wire through there. should have grabbed the nut that holds this mirror in place. This one. That way I can kind of screw it in by hand. I guess it would also help if I had my window open as well. I could do it by that side, but oh well. I guess there's multiple ways of doing it. Okay, so that'll stay in place now while I wire it. I'm trying to make sure I go around the window rails. Okay. There you go. Mounting that so it's kind of out of my way. These bolts, they do provide them for you. These bolts are strictly for the tow mirrors because they stick out further, so it provides extra support with this plate. It's a metal plate, so that'll give you that extra support. Make sure you're with the wind and the weight sticking out further, you don't run into any issues, your mirror possibly breaking off or whatnot. I'm doing this by hand first, just to make sure I don't cross thread this. Again, I don't want to do it super tight. I want to make sure I don't have anything break on me, because I'm really good at breaking stuff. Fixing, not so much, but I'm very good at breaking. I am going to turn it on just to make sure this is working properly. So this is what it looks like, fully complete, both sides. It actually does fit it pretty good for an SUV. As you can tell, it is working pretty good. Now, just got to put the door back together and project is fully done.